all the products I've used, and after using them I'm reviewing them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prishita Pathak, and in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing some products that I recently bought from Pink Friday sale from Nykaa, and I'm going to be reviewing 4 products that I bought from the sale. And if you are interested in watching my mini haul from Nykaa, then please keep watching. The first product that I bought is this Swiss Beauty Concealer. It comes in packaging like this. It is a really nice concealer. It is really full coverage. It makes your skin really bright looking and really fresh. So it is a really nice concealer. I'm wearing this concealer right now. You can see it is really good. The next product that I bought is this compact powder from Faces Canada. This is a really good compact powder. It really controls the oil on your skin and it is really good. And you can set your concealer or foundation with this compact. It really works fine, and it comes with packaging like this. The next product that I bought is this lip balm. It is a really good lip balm. It really moisturizes your lips very well. I've been using it for a couple of days now. Actually, I've been all the products I've used, and after using them I'm reviewing them. So these products are really good. This lip balm looks like this from the inside. It came with the packaging, but I guess I threw the packet away because I can't find it. So I guess I throw it away, but it's okay. This is a really nice lip balm, so yeah. And the next and last product that I bought from the sale is this Nykaa's Ultra Matte Mini Lipstick. It is a really good lipstick. It is in the shade Diana. This lipstick is so good, I'm telling you. I am wearing this lipstick right now, and I have also applied this lipstick as a blush. The shade of this is really nice. Let me show you. Looks really nice. Literally, I had my eyes on this lipstick since very long time, and finally I get to buy this. I will be linking all of these products in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I bought these 4 products from the Nykaa's Blackpink sale. If you also want to buy these products, the link to them is in my description. I hope you enjoyed this mini haul. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more review. Okay guys, bye. I'll see you in my next video.